change the size of the pattern, what you're going to want to do is cut on the lengthen shorten lines and the widen narrow lines. And then to make the pattern bigger, you would slightly spread it apart according to foot measurements, which you can look up online or you can measure your own foot. You would slightly spread it apart. In order to make it smaller, you're going to overlap the pieces slightly. Again, according to your own foot measurements. Make sure that whatever you do at this point and this point, that you also do that to the toe piece. So if you've spread it 1/8 of an inch at all those points, you would want to spread it 1/8 of an inch here.